Okay, dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. And this video for the class 9th, okay, and the chapter 2, that is the polynomial. And in this video we will see some more problems, okay, with respect to some different types of questions. So without let us start and proceed to our topic. So first of all, I will erase everything and now concentrate on the question. If, okay, let us take, we have been given, if p of x, this is x, if p of x equal to x cube minus 5x square plus 4x, okay, what plus 4x they have given minus 3. And one more thing we have been given, that like g of x is equal to x minus 2. Okay, these two things they have given. So what they are asking, show that, what is that? So that p of x is not a multiple of g of x. What is this? P of x is not a multiple of what? G of x. Okay, whenever okay, with this sentence, what do you understand? Okay, p of x is not a multiple of g of x. Let us take, suppose we have 12. The factor of 12 is, the factors are, okay, let us take 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 4 3 are 12, 6 2 are 12. So these are the factors. Means, what does it mean? Means 12 is a, okay, multiple of 3, 12 is a multiple of 4, 12 is a multiple of what? 2, 12 is a multiple of what? 6. That means 12 can be exactly divided by like 3, 12 is exactly divided by what? 4, 12 is exactly divided by 2, 12 is exactly divided by 6. And in every case the remainder we have 0. Here also remainder 0. Here, sorry, wait a second. Okay, in this case also remainder equal to 0. That means whenever, if some number is which is a multiple of another number, then this 3, okay, will divide this 12 in 4 times and the remainder will be 0. In same case, if suppose we have been given that, okay, g of x and p of x, and what is that? Let us take this, show that px is not a multiple of g of x. Then what do you have to do? You have to divide by, divisor will become g of x and dividend will become p of x. So we have to check this division, where remainder, if remainder will become 0, okay, then what we can say, p of x is a multiple of g of x. But if the remainder is not equal to 0, then we can say p of x is not a multiple of g of x. So hence let's do this problem. So first of all, what is our g of x? X minus of 2. And what is our p of x? Like x cube minus 5x square plus 4x, and another constant term minus 3. So this is our, in the order of decreasing degrees, decreasing order of their degrees, and same here in divisor also. So this is the first step which is being followed by the division process. So let us take the first term of the dividend, that is x cube, and the first term of the divisor, that is x. हम x cube में x से we will divide it. In how many times it will go? In x square. Means first term of the quotient becomes x square, and with this x square we will multiply the divisor and we will write the product here, x cube minus of 2x square. So this become minus 2x square. This we have to subtract from this equation. So this becomes plus and this becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So we can cancel out this x cube and minus x cube. So here plus minus, but okay, minus value is more, so minus sign will be there, and there will be 3x square, and remaining terms we can take it here. So now this polynomial have become the next dividend, and this minus 3x square is the new term, new first term, and we will divide by the x. In how many times? It becomes minus 3x times. Minus, when we will multiply minus 3x to x minus 2, means with the second quotient term we will multiply the divisor, minus 3x square minus minus what? Plus 3 to the 6x it becomes. So this minus, we will, after subtracting, this minus becomes plus and this plus becomes minus. So here we can cancel it out. So here minus 2x minus of 3. So definitely by minus what, how many times? 2 times. Okay, so here minus 2x minus minus plus 2 to the 4. So this minus becomes plus and minus. So here we can cancel it out, minus minus, okay, plus, but sign will be minus here. So here see minus 7, since minus 7 is not equal to 0, okay, remainder term is not equal to 0, hence what we can say, g of x is, okay, sorry, what is that, p of x not a multiple of g of x. P of x is not multiple of g of x. Answer means hence verified. So this is our question previously. Okay, if p of x, this polynomial, and g of x is x minus 2, show that p of x is not a multiple of g of x. g of x में से हमने p of x में डिवाइड किया. ओके, यहाँ पे जो रिमाइंडर आया दैट इज नॉट, दैट शुड बी नॉट इक्वल टू 0. The same thing which we have got here, minus 7, since minus 7 is not equal to 0, so hence remainder, okay, is not equal to 0. What we can say, p of x is not a multiple of g of x. So this question we have done. Okay dear students, another question we have, show that g of x, x plus 5 is factor of p of x. What is that p of x? 2x cube plus 9x square minus 11x and plus 30. Sorry, this is minus 30. We have to show that what, this g of x, okay, is a factor of this equation. This we have to say. Okay, given p of x equal to this much, if, okay, x plus 5 is a factor, okay, that means what, x plus 5 equal to 0 and x equal to minus 5. You got it? When x, by using the factor theorem here, by using factor theorem, okay, so x equal to minus 5, hence p of minus 5, okay, equal to what, we will calculate it like 2 into minus 5 cube plus 9 into minus 5 square minus 11 into minus 5 minus 30. Here 125 minus, that gives you 250. Okay, sorry, 250 in minus, here 25 and plus 25, it gives you 225, and again minus minus plus 55 minus, sorry, it gives you how much, minus minus plus 55 minus 30, it will give you minus 25 plus 55 minus 30. This 25 and this become minus 55 minus plus 55 becomes 0. So are you getting or not? P of minus 5 becoming 0. Okay, therefore p of minus 5 becoming 0, hence what we can say, x plus 5, okay, is a factor of p of x. Okay, proved. Hence proved. So this is the way you have to solve these kind of questions. Okay dear students, we have another questions, okay, like if, okay, what, both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2, okay, are what? Factors of a given. We have a polynomial px square plus 5x plus r. So this polynomial, so what we have to do, we have to prove, okay, then prove that p equal to r. This we have to prove. Let us do this problem. If x, agar let us take f of x equal to p of x square 5x plus r. You got it? Px square, this is 5x this is 5x plus r by using factor theorem. We have x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are factors, therefore x equal to 2, x equal to 1 by 2, and f of 2 should be 0, f of 1 by 2 should be 0, should f of 2. So let's do this. F of 2, you have equation px square, p into 2 to the 4 plus 5 into what, 2 plus r. For p plus 10 plus r, 4p plus 10 plus r, so we get what? 4p plus r equal to minus of 10, and it will be your equation number 1. Same here, f of 1 by 2, when you will calculate and you will equate to 0, how much will you get? You get p by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r equal to 0. Directly I have written. Okay, you have to do the sum. Okay, when you will solve this equation, you will get p plus 4r equal to minus 10. See here, observe these two equation 1 and 2. Here you will write from equation 1 to what you are doing, comparing. So what you will you get, how much? 4p plus r equal to 4r, okay, प्लस p. इतना ही तो है. अगर रीअरेंज करते हो इसको, देन p एक साइड ले लो और r एक साइड ले लो. यू विल गेट 3p इक्वल टू 3r. 3 कैंसिल, p इक्वल टू r आपको आ गया है. हेंस प्रूव्ड. यही तो करना था ना प्रीवियसली, आपको यही करना था. यहाँ पे देखिए क्वेश्चन में दिया था कि बोथ x minus 2 x minus 2 आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन टू शो दैट p इक्वल टू r. तो यही तो हमने प्रूफ कर दिया है, p इक्वल टू r. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी मच इजी, बट वंस अगर आपको वंस यू गेट द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, okay, what is the basic building, how we have to solve the equation, then you can easily solve the question also. It's not a very big deal. Okay dear students, आपको एक अगला क्वेश्चन है, what must be added to a given polynomial like, okay, 2x to the power of 4 minus 5x cube, you have 2x square and minus x minus 3. What must be added to this polynomial, okay, so that what is it, so that the result जो भी होगा, the result, okay, is exactly divisible by how much? X minus 2. सॉल्यूशन सीधा है, मैं इसको ओवरव्यू पहले समझाता हूँ। कोई भी क्वेश्चन है आपके पास 2x टू द पावर ऑफ 4 माइनस 5x क्यूब ओके प्लस 2x स्क्वायर ओके 2x स्क्वायर माइनस x माइनस 3। देखिए सपोज आपके पास 2 से 7 में मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 2 3 या 6 ओके 1 रिमाइंडर हो जाएगा। मतलब what must be added in 7, isn't it? What must be added in 7 so that 7 is divisible by 2? So definitely 1 okay और definitely something, कुछ तो भी एडिट करना होगा ना। तो ये जी चेक करना है वो आप डिवीजन के माध्यम से ही चेक कर सकते हो। तो वही है, अगर इस क्वेश्चन में हम कुछ ऐसा करते हैं, इसमें अगर हम a ऐड कर देते हैं तो हमारा जो है x माइनस 2 से ओके x माइनस 2 से ये जो है वो कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड हो जाएगा, बट बाय यूजिंग फैक्टर ओके थ्योरम x माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 0, क्योंकि वो एक फैक्टर है, सिंस इट इज़ अ फैक्टर therefore x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. You take this as equation 1, put x equal to 2 in 1, we get how much? 2x x equal to 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो किस में, 2x to the power of 4 में 5x क्यूब प्लस हाउ मच x 2x square minus x minus 3 plus a. Here you have to put x equal to how much? 2. So 2 to the power of 4, how much it becomes? So it becomes 2 to the power of 5, that gives you 32. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 5 is 40 plus 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 2 minus 3 plus a, and this value becomes 0 okay, this value becomes 0 since जो भी ये एक मिनट में इसको सॉल्व करता हूँ। मतलब पॉलिनोमियल में आप p of x मीन्स p of 2 it should be 0, isn't it? so वही मैं कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। so this 32 and ये 8 becomes 40, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, कैंसिल हो जाएगा। ये माइनस 5 प्लस a इक्वल टू 0, इट गिव्स यू a इक्वल टू 5। सो व्हाट मस्ट बी एडेड, मतलब 5 मस्ट बी एडेड। तो आंसर हमारा कितना हो जाएगा, 5 ओके। द नंबर दैट इज 5 मस्ट बी एडेड टू गिवन पॉलिनोमियल। देखिए फिर से मैं समझाता हूँ, कुछ भी क्वेश्चन में कुछ नहीं है, व्हाट मस्ट बी एडेड ओके टू दिस पॉलिनोमियल सो दैट जब ऐड कर देंगे देन वो चीज़ जो होगा वो एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल बाई x माइनस 2 ओके। सो सिंस वी नो दैट बाय यूजिंग द फैक्टर थ्योरम, अगर इफ this will be divisible by, if this will be divisible by x minus 2 means what, x minus 2 is a factor okay. so when x minus 2 is a factor then x minus 2 is equal to 0 okay. so x equal to 2, this is the what, by using the factor theorem वही 0 है उसका। put x equal to 2 in the equation 1 okay, जो whatever the equation we have brought it, so जब आप इसमें पुट कर दोगे देन आपके पास ये वैल्यू a इक्वल टू 5 आ जाएगा। मतलब 5 मस्ट बी द नंबर, how much, 5 must be added to that given polynomial so that that polynomial will be easily divisible by x minus 2 exactly।